Hi, my name is Miss Robbins, and I'd like to welcome you to the 2020-2021 school year. Before we get started, I'd like to tell you a little bit about myself. My first name is Chris, actually Christine. I am the third of 5 children. This is me right here. This is me right here. This is also me right here. Finally, this was my senior picture in high school. I no longer look like that. Now, this is the most current picture of my brothers and sisters. It was a gift that was given to us after my mom and dad had passed away. We were getting ready to sell my parents' house, and we had a gift of someone who was able to put my mom and dad from a previous picture in there so that in 2020 we could see all of us together once again. I'm a graduate of Bishop Ready High School. I graduated from there in 1984. During that time at Reedy, I had an English teacher for 11th and 12th grade whose name was Kathy Pinson. She was my inspiration to become a teacher, and she was also the first head of the upper school at Wellington. She was actually how I found Wellington. I received my Bachelor of Science degree in secondary English education from The Ohio State University, go Bucks, in 1989. I have 2 children. This was them when they were very little, Mario and Luigi at Halloween. Cassie is my older daughter. She is a graduate of Wellington from the class of 2017 and is currently a senior at the University of Richmond studying biochemistry. Lexi is a member of the junior class at Wellington of the class of 2022, and she loves art and theater. I have 2 dogs, Brian and Charlie. And why I don't like cats, true story, it was because when I was younger, one of the movies that I saw was Lady and the Tramp, and those 2 cats always caused trouble and blamed everything on the dog. And from that point on, I have not been a cat person. Here are some things that I like. I love to read Stephen King, particularly The Stand. That is my favorite novel of his, and also his son, Joe Hill, is an author, and I love his works as well, particularly Nosferatu. I love watching movies, having discussions about topics of diversity, equity, and inclusion, and I also love basketball. I dislike spiders, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and beans of all kinds, except green beans. I do like those. And mustard. This is a joke in my family because when I was about 5 years old, my older brother thought it would be funny to tell me to close my eyes and open my mouth and shoved a sandwich made completely of mustard into my mouth. Ever since then, I have not liked mustard on anything. This is my 30th year at Wellington. It seems like it's gone by so quickly. Past roles that I've had at the school include teaching English 9, being the yearbook moderator. I was the drama director for a number of years. I have been the dean of students, and I even served as the upper school co-head for 5 years before going back to my first love, which is teaching. Currently, I teach 2 of the 3 focus areas of English 10. I also teach a number of trimester courses for 11th and 12th graders. After school, you can probably see me helping out with Wellington athletics, either on the soccer field where I try and help run the clock, or on the basketball court where I keep book for a variety of the basketball teams. The classes that I'm teaching this year are the 2 sections of English 10. One is entitled Who's America, and the second one is entitled American Drama. The trimester courses I teach are the Afterlife and Stories of the Holocaust during the first trimester, notable authors Stephen King and Greek tragedy during the second trimester, and I Need a Hero the third trimester, along with music and film with Mr. Becker and stories on trial with Mr. Hansen. I am excited about teaching this year. It's going to be a different year for all of us, and we're all in this together. So I hope to be able to see you soon, and it all starts here.